Can you hear me? Hello? Yes. Okay. Awesome. Now I'm here. Great. Hello? Yes, I'm back again. Haha. Who joined today's London stream too? Who else joined the London stream today? But still love me? Hello? I'm gonna learn some Portuguese later. I think next year I'll start to learn some Portuguese. Alright. Um, I think some of you may already know that I did took a J after the London live stream. I'm sorry about that. And I also post the chat and a trade recap in Discord. So if you're inside the free tutorial group, you will have the link to watch the trade recap in both Cantonese and English. I'm from Hong Kong. I am back. Well, this is my first time doing a live stream during New York session on YouTube. Never done that before. All right, I think I adjust everything right this time. It won't have some crazy thing, some errors anymore for this time. I hope so. How long do you take trades? Well, I think I usually will trade the market open, New York session market open. So it's gonna be a live 30 or live 35, something like that. Because I no longer trade silver bullet anymore. So I usually finish the NY session at 10 or maybe 10:30 Eastern time. And one thing is because of the time difference, I want to like stay inside trade and also the time difference, things like that. That's why I start the stream at 8:30 instead of 9. And wow, I think hosting 2 live stream a day is hard. It's kind of too much. Between the break, I just take a breakfast. I just have a breakfast and have some rest, and then have some recordings, video recordings, and then I gotta stream again. So I think it's kind of inconsistent to have 2 stream a day. I think I gotta choose one. I can't stream both. It's too much. It's too much. Yes. Oh, Jack. Welcome, Jack. Jack is one of the top trader in the Tipsy Trader Discord. Choose and why? Why? Then I always make money in London session. I mean, I know I don't losing straight on live stream, but I did make it bad, right, guys? I did make it bad. Oh, well, we will have to take a look on the chat. Totally forget about the chat. So, this is shit. This is totally shit. Even for pattern trader, they know what it is, right? I don't even have to explain this. Everyone who learned basic trade analysis, technical analysis, know what it is. It's trash. And we can. Oh, oh, Jack, what is your bias? That is so important. What is Jack's bias today? I got the vote. Just create the vote. Are we going to all-time high again? So okay. Here we got a equal low, and also we got a equal high here, a small equal high here, London low. This 1 hour FVG turn into IFVG, go down. Here hit the 1 hour bullish order board FVG. Right now we're here inside this FVG. This is the outage open. We will see. Why not we just rating? Well, at first I thought this London low may be the low of the day, but after price create this equal low, I have no idea. We'll see. Can't fight the trend. Yes, you're right. You're long. You're already in the long, right? Really? Well, that's early. I'll wait a little bit more. I think after 9. Yeah, maybe I'll like miss the move, but NY session can be wild. You got long and 773. Oh, so here, right? Something like here. Yeah. Great trade. Too soon for you to long your rate for 930 manipulation. I'll decide between 9:15 to 9:30. Sometimes I don't wait for market open. I will enter trade before the 9:30 open because the opening drive sometimes can drive the price to my TP. So I think it's not necessary to wait for 9:30. But it kind of depends on the context, It's not every time I will enter trade before 9:30. Sometimes I do it after it. 直播後幾點? I don't know, no idea. If I'm tired, then I'll close the stream. Or if no one's watching, everyone's gone, everyone's go watch other people, then I'll close the stream too. I assume everyone's gonna watch those big traders, big live streamers like Patrick Wilden. And also, as I know, ICT mentioned that he will live stream your session next week. I think next week. So if he is live streaming, then I won't live stream for sure. But right now, today, I think he didn't mention anything about today. All right, let me take a look. 64% saying we're going to all-time high. 23% no. 40% say you don't care. I know someone's gonna vote for that. Oh my god, you are wild. Click the like button. Oh really? He stopped passed away? Oh, I've no idea. Because he mentioned he will do 2 weeks of lecturing and then starting to live stream. I think he mentioned something like that. But he changed his mind all the time, so. So where will you TP, Jack? Where are you gonna TP? Or are you gonna hold it to the moon? Because like I think a few days before, I checked with another top traders. He tell me there's no like. I mean, I asked him like, when will you decide to like this is the end of today's trading? He said there's no ending. He told me there's no ending. He only ended when he's tired. When he's sleepy, then he'll close the trade. He'll end the whole trading session. That was a surprise. I mean, like usually maybe someone have like uh limit of risk, limit of like trades, or when the price get to your target level or a level that is your trade idea is invalid, then you end the whole trading session, right? You'll be like done for the day. Oh, that's the first time I know that someone don't have is done for the day thing. That is never done for the day. You already TP 800. Oh, okay. That's a scalp. That's a great scalp. See, I always said Jack is one of the best trader I know. Morning. It's good evening for me, to be honest. Less trade equal to more profit. Oh, mm, this is when those who make money with less trade will tell you that less trade equal to more profit. Because I tried. To me, less trade equal to less profit. So you have to backtest it. Backtest your strategy. See if this rules less trade equal to more profit, is that suitable for you? I try it. I backtest it. I forward test it. It's not working for me. I mean, maybe it's my personality or something. I don't know what is the real reason that led to it, but for me, last trade is not working. It's so obvious it's not working. So you gotta practice it. Maybe for you is the way like that. And that trade that I mentioned, As I know, he also got a low win rate, but he made a lot of money, a lot more than me, few times more than me. So no, I don't think less trade equal to more profit. Have you traded in CFD before? Yeah, of course, of course. I think I started trading CFD in 2022. I personally don't want to engage price with the current situation. I don't like this one. I want this to disappear first. Maybe I don't take any trade. Who knows? Alright. I mean, I already achieved my target today. So right now I just try to make more, maybe, and try to entertain everyone on the stream. Jack is the trader who would do anything to get a Labubu. Oh my god, Terrence, you. And for newer session, I usually use the RTH gap to trade the opening range gap. So when you two go your right hand corner, the ETH to RTH, you see the gap. Here. So this here is the RTH open. And when market session like 9:30 start, the RTH codes will also appear. And then the gap, we have to divide it in 4 parts, like quadrants, like this. And use the quadrant level to trade. For example, you can see that price here, we add with the 25% and then go up again, right? We add with the 50% and 75%. Not every time the RTH gap will close completely, but the level is important. Like 25%, over 90% of the market, of the NY market open, price will trace to 25% of the RTH gap. So if you use 25% as your level, usually you can make a winning trade, at least a small one. Are you trading with Fundinix account for this NY or other platforms account? No, Fundinix because I already the trade I took during London session after the live stream, I recovered all the losses and I made 3,500 for each account, each Fundinix account. So it's already past the consistency rule. You know, I have to make a lot more to take another payout. So during this session, I'm going to trade another platform without consistency rule. I mean, I actually also copy trade this account during the session. So I have like around 3,400 for this account as a buffer for today. So this account is already green right now. So I got more buffer for my newer session. I don't trade consistency rule platform accounts in new NY session. I only trade those without it. No, it's not TBD. It's my friend of futures, MFFU. But because I don't promote them, so I'm not gonna talk about it. Hi, Mass. Long time no see. me take a look on ES. Oh, ES still here. What's the reason move to futures? CFD sucks. The spread, because of the spread. The spread manipulation by poor firms and some brokers. First thing first, there's always huge spread for indices, US indices in CFD. So you can scalp. You can scalp with even 1 minute time frame. And of course you can do it with 15 seconds. So you get it. That's why I trade Silver Bullet and 2022 model at that time. Because I can use turtle soup. Those turtle soup will be fake turtle soup. And in futures, you don't have things like that. And I gotta admit, at first, it's hard to adjust because of the width setting is different. But I think after a month, then I'm really familiar with how to manage everything. Futures pops are cheaper. Yes, of course, this is one of the reasons too. If you use CFD pops, you can make a large position trading eval because it's too pricey. I mean, it costs too much for one platform account. But for like APAS, something like that, APAS, if you buy with 90% off, it's $16 or $18 right now. I mean, 18 US dollars. That's so cheap. You can do it whatever you want with that $18. Right now it's looking good. I mean, still, it's out a little bit, but it's okay. Oh, but I think if this candle goes outside of this FVG is better. We'll see in just a few minutes. But this kind of smooth though. Do you trade funding text? Yes. But I just like have the account not long ago, so I haven't have any payout yet. It's the fourth day. Today is the fourth day of sharing Fanatics Funder account. So we will see if I can get a payout from them. Right now, my favorite port is Fundernix. Fundernix already surpassed Shadify to be the top one port firms in my mind. But you know, Fundernix have some issues in the past, so it's something we have to keep an eye on. with the courses about that. What the indicator did you use? Which one? Which one are you talking about? Yeah, that's why I use my British passport. I use my British passport to apply for that. That's a good thing when you have multiple passport, right? And you know what? I was thinking if I got a large payout, like from Apex, the first thing I buy will be another passport, not a Lambo, but it's more expensive than a Lambo to buy a passport. To buy, technically, it's a golden visa that can ultimately lead to a citizenship, which is a passport. It's a lot more expensive than a Lambo, but it's useful, right? It's useful than a Lambo. Uh, After I bought that, I'll let you know. Right now, I just like keep it more secretly. I gotta get that payout first because it's so expensive. So if I didn't get a large payout, then I won't buy it. You should visit FN headquarters in UAE. No way, no way. Hmm. Are you getting finished work right now? I think it's it's like yeah, it's 9 p.m. for Hong Kong. Have you been a break-even trader before turning profitable? I think so. I think so. There was a time that because like at that time CFD port was so expensive, right? And I spent too much money on those CFD port, and I was full-time trading, so I quit my full-time job. I spent all the money on buying props. I almost broke at that time. So at that time, I just keep on moving my stop loss to break even because I can't afford the losses. I can't even afford one losses at that time. That's why. So I think that your financial burden will affect your trading performance too. Okay, what is that? Let me see. So it's the 9 a.m. candle. Oh. Hmm. This one's good. I want to try a scalp, but no scalping. I gotta be cautious. It's new session, right? It's new session. Just take one for fun. Ooh. Oops. One contract. I think one of the reasons is I kind of boring. I think it's one of the big reasons I kind of boring with the price. You know, when I'm not risking anything, it's just feel like wasting my time on the chart. I know I shouldn't think like that, but many of the time I feel like that. How can you break through? Uh, because I'm a stubborn person. That I think I mean I'm not like the smartest person in the room, but I think I have enough ability to finish to be successful in trading. I mean, like, I'm not dumb. I just know I'm not dumb because if you met some dumb people in your work, you will understand that you're not dumb, not that dumb. But also, I'm not like the smartest. So, but this is not rocket science. It's something achievable that you have to spend your time, of course, and you have to take a lot of effort on that. So I just, I'm stubborn. I think I can do it. Just not that hard. Hi, Bella. Are you gonna trade NY now? Not really. Just having fun here. I promised a neural session stream. That's why I'm here. And I actually achieved the profit target for all my funded accounts during the session. So now it's something extra. Reasons for entering the chain, I'm bored. It's it's a bad habit, alright? Guys, don't learn this. Don't take any trade because of boredom. I mean, I'm just risking one contract with, I think, 12 points. I think it's worth it. And also, one of the reasons is the wick. The 9 a.m. candlestick this week is telling something. This is the information I want. And if you switch to like 15 seconds and 30 seconds chart, you can see how this wick happens so fast. It's one kind of manipulation, like. But you know, if you want it, like, want the position code safely, you probably should take partial here and here. But I like risky, so I'm not taking partial. I mean, I just saw one NQ. How's life in Dubai? It's okay. It's okay. I think I should be back in Hong Kong as soon as I can, right? Check. Why is so funny? I try to live stream more because like I always close the stream like within 2 hours. And but I saw many live streamers live stream for 5 hours. I was like, what the fuck? How can they live stream for 5 hours? This is crazy. You're just doing a job, yeah. How much would you wish to pass a funded account? Pass a funded account? You mean the eval? You risk everything to pass the eval. I mean, like if you use Apex is and if you bought it with 90% off, it's just $18 for 50K. Of course you're gonna risk everything. And they have 1 day pass, right? You're not gonna trade an eval for 1 month. You only trade 1 day for every platform. Don't waste your time on eval. You can make money with it. Oh my god, even if I TP this trade, I only make what? A few hundreds? Okay, I'm kind of regretting just entering with one contract. What am I doing with this trade? I'm risking a few $100. I mean, I'm wasting my time for just a few $100. No, no. All right, okay, that's for the fun. Okay, I can accept that. 1 day pass is the key, exactly. That's why right now, Apex and Funded Next will be the top two of my platform list because they have 1 day pass. We do not wait for the 930 manipulation. No. Uh, and also one more thing is the alcohol here so expensive. The alcohol in Dubai is so expensive. That's one of the reasons I don't want to stay here. I didn't drink for 2 weeks. Go dig for oil. What the fuck? Singapore, because it's hard to get a visa, like a residency visa in Singapore. I mean, I can go travel, but like, just I think short period of time. Where is more expensive to buy? It depends on what the thing is. For example, if it's housing, then of course Hong Kong is more expensive for the housing cost, for rent and also buying the whole property. For alcohol, the cost here is higher, and the food here, the like food delivery or dining out is like more expensive here in Dubai. Go Thailand, you end up an alcoholic. I won't. I won't. I have real control on myself. Will you do opposite position with different port? Oh, you mean hatching? No, no, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't say it in public, even if you do that. All right. I won't because I'm a profitable trader, so I don't have to do opposite. So I don't have to hatch it because like I know what I'm doing. But if you like passing evals, you can hatch it if you want to like pass your evals faster. But for funded accounts, don't do that. I don't like the price is creating liquidity here. I don't like that. I need a drive, maybe a wick down here, curing some of it, and then go up. That would be best case scenario. Property price in Hong Kong drop a lot. It's not a lot. It's just I think 30%. Not a lot. It's still so expensive. TraderVay, yeah. I'm actually trading on TraderVay right now. Like I enter my order on TraderVay, adjust my order on TraderVay, but I'm showing you the linear trader because like it's easier to see all the details here. Okay, so price here, this buy side equity here, and we'll see if this candlesticks just clear some liquidities and then go up again, or it's gonna come to my stop loss. We'll see. If you guys can only choose one stream, like London stream and New York stream, which one will you choose? Should I get a vote for that? Okay, I'm gonna get a vote for that. I chose no stream. I personally click no stream because I want to take some breaths. It's me. I voted no stream. Okay, I hope this can turn to that best case scenario that I mentioned. Because right now, it go down and clear some of the liquidity. But it didn't, you know, the worst thing is if this wick pass through this wick, then it's like perfect. Right now it create a relative equal low. We'll see. That 8% should be ashamed. 2 streams in a day. Yeah, I don't even know why. But tomorrow and Wednesday, I think I got some stuff to do, so I'll definitely can do live stream on London session tomorrow and Wednesday. So I'll see if I have time during New York session. You know what? It's been a long time for me trading only one contract. It's been a long time. I adjusted to like 8:31 because it's here. What is the 1 hour average? So I assume maybe there's some reaction with the 1 hour average. That's why I put it here instead of here. Maybe the opening drive lower. Who knows? Maybe. It's time to adjust my stop loss. So I move it under the 15 seconds bullish order block. Is right now it's around 7 points for the stop loss. You're holding to all-time high. To be honest, if I'm not live streaming, I will hold to all-time high too. And also, I'm trading with a no consistency rule account, so there's no reason not to do that. But it's a live stream, right? It's a live stream, so I gotta be more conservative with my trade. Is there any particular reason why you're not targeting London high? Well, first thing first, for my trade, I have to have at least 1 to 2 risk reward ratio to enter it. So since my initial stop loss is 12 points, so my TP have to be at least 24 points and more. So this is like my initial target. And then I'll see how surprise move. Is it like moving faster or keep consolidating? And then to decide like where should I put my TP. I would say if I'm not trading, if I'm not live streaming, I will put my TP at outage open at that level if I'm not live streaming. Because sometimes it's not about the win, it's about the pressure, that people are gonna talk shit about you if you didn't close your trade when you're in profit, things like that. If you took a loss. I'm not really good at like handling those stuff. So it's not exactly protecting my capital, but protecting me from those hate comments. I gotta close the trade there. There is a real statistic that said if we make a new low on Friday, something like 80% chance we release it on Monday. Really? Well, if you backtest it and you find it work, then you can use that. It's just like something like TGIF trade. Also, price just clear the equal high. You should be taking parcel here. It can be 50% of your position size or at least 25%. But for me, I'm not taking parcel. It's because it's just fucking one contract. No parcel. How's Chinese food in Dubai? Well, first thing first, I'm not Chinese, okay? Just in case you don't know. All East Asian food here sucks. I mean, they put an avocado on a salmon, on a sashimi. Like, what the hell is that? Is it time to move up the stop loss? You can do that. Right now, I'm below the 1 minute order block. We still have 5 minutes to market open. This week is good. Clear some of the liquidity and then go up. Why would I just enter with one contract? But I gotta admit, I'm a little bit scared of live streaming neural session because this is my first time live streaming neural session on YouTube. Next time, maybe I can enter with more contract. Spreads on CFD are high, you can't take the trade. That's the reason why I said you guys have to come to futures. The spread sucks. And many of the time, the spread is manipulated. How many contracts do you usually enter? It depends on the account balance. 3 to 5. 3 to 5. Sometimes 6. Yeah. 3 to 5, I would say. I will adjust my stop loss to break even before market open because the opening drive can hit my stop loss. It can be wild. And you know, oops, no, no, no. Okay. So this is the outreach gap. Oh, I really want it. I really want. Should I adjust it? No, no, I can't be too greedy. I have to demonstrate a good trading habit here. I can do that. I can do that. Just so tempting. Okay, right now my stop loss to break even. 1 point above it to cover commission. How long have you been trading your Apex account? I'm waiting for the approval on my payout request. It's been a week. It's been a week. They didn't even approve me. They didn't deny me. I don't know. I'm just waiting right now. But I think it's a few months, 2 months at least. Because when you trade 1 week for Apex, you gotta wait another week for them to approve your payouts. So technically, you can only trade 2 weeks in a month. But if you're like, if you can make to the payout with Chinese accounts, you make a lot, which is something other platforms can't do. That's why I keep on using them. That's the reason why. You're already great, able to live stream take losses in front of so many people. So trading isn't just showing profit only. Yeah, you're right. But I would love to make profit too. Okay, it's market open right now. We will see how the opening drive react. Come on, come on. 2 pawns, 3 pawns. Come on, go. 1 pawn. 1 pawn? Oh, come on, for real? I'm watching 15-second chart on my screen. So it's moving so fast here in front of me. Come on, go there, go there. Come on, it's just $1,500. Come on, give me. Chat, give me the W. Give me the W. I wait for the whole day. Come on. I live stream this Libra session because of this. Finally. We'll see if the price is gonna head to outage open. And take a closer look on it. So right now it's 25% of the gap heading to 50%. You see all these blue lines are all by security pool. W, yeah. But to be honest, if I didn't take so many losses during London stream, I wouldn't even start this new stream. I gotta save my reputation. So I have to live stream one more session. Okay, price hit 50% of the gap. Right now we're inside a 1 hour FVG. Who took the same chain? No one took the chain? No one took that chain? And for those who hold until London high and waiting for all-time high, congrats. You're making more than me. W. Right now is N1. We'll see if it's gonna head to 75% and eventually close the whole gap. Took the same trade, right? Okay, congrats. And to prove it, I did took. It's not a paper trade. Okay, it's not a paper trade. Definitely not. Here, can you see? Oh! I shouldn't show the cash value, but whatever. Show you. You're here instead of PDF stream. So this one is the eval. Okay, I brought up. I messed up with the copy trader, so I brought it up. This is a brand new eval, and these 4 of them are funded accounts. For today, profit. Let me take a look of the vote. Oh my god, you guys, 62% vote for NY stream. Really? We really want NY stream? Oh, think about that. You're still holding to all-time high? I think so. I think price gonna head to there. Or at least close the gap. I am done for the day. Make enough for a day. This is why I start the stream at 8:30 because I always done for a newer session just like 30 minutes after NY market open. So if I start the stream at 9, it would be too short for a stream. You didn't take this trick because I said it's for fun. Well, the whole stream is for fun. But even though it's for fun, I won't like risking my whole account balance, right? I got a stop loss for that, which is calculated risk. I remember someone said this PA sucks so far. It's not suck. So price reached to the midpoint of N-Watt, and then I gotta delete all this thing. Can't see it. Ooh. So this is another 1 hour RPG. So maybe the N-Watt is the barrier. And this one is the first presented fair value gap. Money is fun, of course. You want to see the 930 Judas? It's okay. Sometimes we got the Judas. And when there's 930 Judas, I will hit my stop. You're off, Jack. Goodbye. I actually wanted off too, but I want to see Price close the gap first, or maybe hit their all-time high first. I want to witness the whole thing. Hit the like button, bitches. Thanks, Jack. Good night. Good night for you. You're late. You're so late. Your W is so late. And I also want to talk about why I like to close the chat as soon as I can, like end the whole thing, because I don't have to like hurt my mental capital. Because if price keep chopping, I will become anxious. Although I have like calculated risk, although I have put my stop loss to break even, I'm still inside the trade, right? I'm still in the trade. But if I close it, even though I didn't like TP the whole move, I'm still profitable. I'm still making money, but without hurting my mental capital. These are the things that I want. I'm aiming for. And of course, I understand if you become diamond hand, you can make a lot more. If you hold for 100 points, you can make a lot more. I understand that. But it's just not the approach that I like. 能看懂中文吗？可以看得懂，可以的，你可以打中文的。How much hour was that, Jay? I know. I don't even know where it's here. 1 to 3. I think 1 to 3. Not much though. I should prepare some background music next time. Because without the music, it's kind of it's too calm. It's too calm for the whole stream. What else can we do right now? I mean, I'm finished the trade, so I got nothing to do right now. Oh yeah, I gotta talk about my fund accounts. So right now I'm using Apex, TradeFi, Fundinix, and what else? TBT, yeah, and also Funding Ticks and MFFU. So these are the 6 accounts I'm currently trading with. How do you manage so many prop accounts? Trade copy. I'm currently making a YouTube video about trade copier. I will release it this week. Have you tried alpha futures? They got very bad reputation, alpha futures. That's why I don't use them. They are totally shit in the forest market. Like they got a forest pot farm, and they just so shady with their forest pot. Do you set a limit to copy chat most time? No, no. I most of the time, if I have Apex with me, I'm actually copying with 40 or sometimes 50. But if I like without Apex, then it's gonna be like around 30 accounts I'm copying. Also, I just start a free tutorial group inside my Discord. So if you want to join, you can um join. Click the link down in the info box and see details. Are you guys nervous about your Che? For those who are still holding it, for those who want to hold until all-time high. 有啊有啊，倫敦盤有冇直播有啊？直播咗今日。I think I really took that trade because of boredom. I can feel it now. I mean, right now I finished the trade and I don't even want to look at the chart right now because it just I don't even know what am I doing. Just close the gap. Come on, close the fucking outage gap. Take more boredom changes. Oh no, we shouldn't do that. We shouldn't do that. It's a bad habit. Hmm. Teach us the way of making money while bored. Come to my tutorial group. I'll teach you. 65% of you vote for NY stream. All right. Because it's NY session right now. That's why you guys vote for that, isn't it? I'll think about it. I'll consider it. For real. Click the link down in info box about the free trading community, the Discord group, and you will see. People have spoken. Right now, I'm currently inside a dictatorship country, so the people's voice isn't matter. Have you tried trading after having a drink? Yeah, of course. And sometimes I trade when I'm drinking. No, I mean I drink when I'm trading. That is different because If I'm like, if I hang out and trading and drinking, then I won't be trading. If I'm at home trading, bottle of beer, that's totally fine. Whiskey in a zero. I don't like whiskey. But I don't like whiskey. I like tequila. I'm a big tequila fan. You know, last time people say I'm alcoholic because I drink when I'm training. Bro, I don't. I'm not saying you have to drink the whole bottle of your whiskey, right? If you drink a little bit, just a glass, a sip, it won't kill you. Okay, right now price coming back to the M1 again. Clear this by security. Yes, heading to London High and Asia High. Okay, I gotta decide what I'm gonna have for my dinner. What do you say? What should I have for my dinner? Are you in a hotel? Avocado sushi? No, no more. Maybe chicken, right? Winner chicken dinner. I should take a chicken for dinner. Are you in a hotel? No, I'm in a Airbnb. But if I have to wait until it close the gap, it take 20 minutes. Like it's 9:50 right now. That's why I hate to hold the trade that long. How's the food been in Dubai? Um. Well, first I did spend money on like expensive restaurant and also for expensive food delivery. So it's not about it's a like a good restaurant or not. Because if it costs so much, I think it should be a lot more better than what I expect. Is Dubai more expensive than Hong Kong? No, no. For the food, yes, the food is more expensive, but only the food. Because I come here to apply for the residency ID for the Emirates ID, get a residency card, and then I'll go. I need more residency. Like you know, as a Hong Konger, you need more residency. If things gonna go wrong. Franchise was your favorite ever? Why? My last full-time job, the office building is in franchise. Your country is tax free. Really? Which country is that? I'm gonna move there. What country is that? Tell me. Oh, okay. How was that? How's that? I would consider of getting a residency at a passport there. So it's one tick to the gap, one tick to the gap. Free tick is actually free tick. All right. Mm. Is this safe? Is this safe for example, for East Asian female? Because most of the time, someone's recommend a country for me to stay is safe for the whites, but not safe for East Asian. But they don't know that. They don't know. Of course, they don't know that. But I know that. Okay, finally, gap close is 9:54. So if I want to like hold my tray until here, I gotta wait for 24 more minutes, which I'm not willing to do that. Really? The island you're on has a lot of Hong Kong residents and no crime? What island? Would you mind telling me what island is that? I'm really considering it. Because I've been like getting a lot of research about different passport, different residency. Mm-hmm. Okay, thank you. I'll take a look. I'll take as long as the internet is great, I wouldn't mind living on island. But if the internet sucks, then I have to live in the capital. All right, Asia High also sweep. All right, I think that's enough for today. I mean, at least everyone is making money. The gap that I won is closed. Awesome. And thank you all of you to spend your time with me today. For those who watched both London and NY stream, really appreciate it. Crap PA. I hope you didn't lose any money. And I will see you next time. If I have any new stream, I will post inside my Discord. And if you don't want to miss anything, remember to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification. See you guys next time.